Hi everyone, this is the second video after I showed you how to download satellite image from USGS Earth Explorer. So in this video I am going to show you how to do land use and land cover classification. So first of all we need to download data that we already did, and now the first thing is to add data in ArcGIS Pro. So to add data in ArcGIS Pro, at first you have to add folder. So let me show you how to add folder. So click on add folder, and then go to the folder where you stored your data. So in this case, so this is where I stored my data, satellite data 2019. So I will add this folder. Okay, now I added folder. Now I need to add data, and then go add data, and then data, and then it will take me, then I can go to folder and then go to satellite data, and from you can see. Okay, let me show you a different way. So you can add this data right from here, but I am going to show you another way how to do it. So add data, go to data, and then go to folder and then satellite data. So where you can see, you will see the data like this first when you will download the data. So you have band from 1 to 11, but we do not need all of this data. So we will only use data from 1 to 6. 1 to 6 should be fine, or we can use 1 to 7. So we will just click control, and then press shift and up to 7. So it will select all of the 7 bands. It will take some time, so every time it will show you this window, you will click on yes, or you can always use this choice yes. So it will not ask me anymore. Okay, now I have all of the data, satellite data, in ArcGIS Pro. Now I also want to add study area, so I will add the shapefile of my study area. Go to study area folder, and I will choose this one. So my study area is right here. So you can see my study area is comparatively smaller than the satellite image, so I really do not need all other parts of the satellite image. But to do land use and land cover classification, the first thing we need to do is make composite. So what composite image is do, that an individual image, it can be affected by noisy data that includes clouds or clouds shadow, but to produce a clear image, we can that can be comparable across the time. We can create composites, and it will combines multiple image into one image. So to do composite, we will go to analysis and then click on tools, and then search for composites. click on composite. Let me make it bigger, and then I will add all of them one by one. 2, 3, 7, and then I will click run. You can choose where you want to download the want to store the data. For now I will uncheck this one and choose run. It will take some time to keep it. I think I will make 3 or 4 parts to show the land use and land cover classification. So this will be my first part, the first part of the video, and then I will make some other videos like second part or third part to show you the whole process. Okay, so it is done. So this is how you will create composite. And then another thing is we can, as I told you earlier, we do not need all other areas that is not covered by our study area. So what we're gonna do, we will do clip. We will just cut the study area and remove others. So we can do extract by mask, extract. So you will use extract by mask, and you will input our composite bands, and then the output would be this study area. And yeah, you can go to the environment, and the extent would be like our study area. You do not need to change anything else, so we should be fine. Let's click run. So now our study area extracted, so we have only our study area. So you can uncheck. So this would be the first part of the video. I will make other videos to show you in detail how to do land use and land cover classification. So this is how you will extract your study area. Thank you, and wait for the next one.